Good. So directly we are going to enter into the numericals related to dimension analysis. I will send you the 4 points regarding the limitations of dimension analysis. I think you might be received in the group. So just write it in our classwork whenever we have a time. So if you know, it's also no problem. If you don't know, also does not have much value. So let us go to the questions next. We're going to write it now. The first question we're going to solve questions on dimension analysis. Very, very important. Definitely we'll get a questions on this. So write question number 1. So keep reading, everybody. Questions on dimensional analysis. So let's start. Question number 1. Everybody, right? Dimensional formula of the thermal conductivity K given relation. We have to find it. Find dimensional formula of the thermal conductivity K. So given relation Q is equals to, observe very carefully, Q is equals to K into A into theta 2 minus theta 1 into T divided by D. Clear? So this is what it is. So that is the given relation. So we have to find the dimensions of what to those? We have to find the dimensions of K. Clear? That is. So Q is heat energy. Next, A means area. D means distance. You all people knows. T means what? Time. And theta 2 minus theta 1. Something it is. Anybody? Temperature. Minus means what it is that? Temperature difference. Theta. Is it okay, Ra? Girls? Now, modify the relation and tell me we want dimensions of K. Then K is equals to what is the formula? K is equals to Q into D divided by A into theta 2 minus theta 1 into T. Is it right or wrong? Nobody will say. So heat energy or energy, same dimensions. What are the dimensions of heat energy? Laksha, energy or heat energy, both are same. Dimensions, please. M power 1, L power 2, T power
2, T power minus 2.
The distance dimensions, L power 1. You should involve in the class and you should tell me. Area dimensions first. Area dimensions. L power
2.
Power 2 or 4. L power 2. Same way. Temperature dimensions. We all knows. Temperature dimensions. Theta only. Theta power 1 into time dimensions. T power 1. Yes or no? Understood or not? I don't know what is happening. Sir, okay. So write it. Now, L power 2 will get cancelled. Now, T power 1 will come up. It will become T power. What will become? Minus 3. So, M power 1, T power. Sorry, okay. L power 1 is there. L power 1. Next, T power minus 3 and theta power?
Minus 1.
Theta power minus 1. That's all is the dimensions of K. Okay? Do it fast. Any doubt? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Solve it. Laksha, can you able to solve it or not? I don't know. So go to the next question, Laksha.
Yes, sir.
Try to make it, Laksha. You just more concentrated here so that it will be fine. You can able to solve it. So next question. I will send you so many questions. You people need to solve. Now we'll solve some other questions and we'll make it with that. So let's start next question. Everybody. Yeah. So next question is, so write it. The spherical ball of mass M. Next question. Question number 2. Right. A spherical ball of, Ishali, understanding Ishali, Mahalakshmi, a spherical ball of mass m,
Yes, sir.
mass m and radius r is allowed to fall in a medium of viscosity. What is the symbol of viscosity? We have done last class, eta. Clear? The time in which the velocity of the body, the time in which the velocity of the body increases from 0 to 0.63 times 60 times the terminal velocity is called time constant, tau actually will represent. Now dimensions of tau can be represented by dimensions of tau can be represented by, so options, m r square by 6 pi n, m r square by 6 pi n, sorry, n not eta. B option, root of 6 pi m into m divided by g square. Option C, m divided by 6 into pi eta r. Option D, none of this. This is what. So let us read the question, all of you. You no need to understand the concept like what is this eta, terminal velocity and all. Just to read the question, that's what we want. So a spherical ball of mass m and radius r is allowed to fall in a medium of viscosity n. The time in which the viscosity of the body increases from 0 to 0.63 times the terminal velocity, which is actually we are known as time constant tau. Then find the dimensions of tau, which is represented by, they are asking. So let us make, we people don't know. As we all know, time constant is directly proportional to where? From the question we can say it is directly proportional to 3 quantities. What is the 3 quantities? Firstly, everybody, tau is directly proportional to what? Mass of the body. Tau is
Radius.
directly proportional to radius of the body. Next, tau is directly proportional to viscosity of the liquid. Yes or no? Yes, please. I have taken XYZ. You take XYZ also. Your choice. I don't have any problem. Now, tau means time constant. So, what is the dimensions of time constant? Dimensions of time constant. Nobody knows. Time constant. LM is same. What are the dimensions?
T, sir.
T. Okay. Let me take first write the formula. So tau is equals to what is the formula will come? K into m power x r by eta power z. Okay. Now, as we all know, time constant dimensions T, K we don't want. Mass dimensions m, and this one radius. What is the radius? L. And viscosity, check it and tell me. Viscosity, what is the dimension?
M1,
Yes, please. M power
M1 L power minus 1 T
power minus 1.
T
That's
power
right.
minus 1.
Now compare it. That's all. So now I can say tau is equals to K. You have to compare it and you have to find it. So find what is of things. What will come? So K we don't want. So this one is equals to T power 1. So which equals to, here what will come? M power X. Next L power y, and here m power z, L power minus z, and t power minus z. I'm just writing it. Is it okay, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Everybody verify it. I'm writing just together whole power z, instead of that I'm writing like that. Will you accept it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now here nothing is means m power 0, L power 0. So compare it. M power 0 is equals to m power x. Then x value
0.
0. X is now somewhere is there.
Plus z is equal to 0.
Yeah. X plus x is not 0. X plus z. Y means m is here also there. So x plus z. Then we don't know. X plus z is equals to 0. Just hold it. Next, L power 0 then is equals to here. L power y minus z. Then 0 is equals to y minus z. Is it as per those?
Sir.
That is what it is. Next, last one, check it. T power 1. So T power 1 means last one here, what is there? T power minus z.
Minus
Minus
So 1 is equals to minus z. Z value how much?
minus 1.
Z value minus 1. Now bring that value and substitute here, you will get the y value. So 0 is equals to y minus of minus 1. So which is equals to y plus 1, which is equals to y is equals to how much?
Minus 1.
Y is equals to minus. Everybody remember. Now bring that value and put the value of here. We are having z value theriyum. What is the z value? We all know
X is equal to 1.
x plus minus 1 is equals to 0. So x minus 1 is equals to 0. X value how much?
X is equal to 1.
Is equals to 1. So if you have done, so then tau is equals to k into m power 1, r power minus 1, eta power minus 1. So forget about k value, just write the formula. Can I write m power r into eta? Is it right or wrong, guys? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Everybody. So similar format we have to verify in the options. So it is a similar format verifying in the options. M divided by eta into r. Which option is verifying? Yes, please. Which option is verifying? Everybody. Option
C.
P. But what is the k value then? Experimentally, what is the k value? Experimentally, k value is equals to what? 1 by
6 pi.
1 by 6 pi. That is constant, Pradosh. That is what alone you have to see. So split the option like 1 by 6 pi into m divided by eta into r. Option is matching or not? This is equals to k.
Sir.
K into m divided by eta into r. Yes or no, Rudreshwar?
Yes, sir.
So that is what it is. So you have to solve very carefully. You have to like these questions when you are solving, particularly we have to much very careful about these questions. Then only you can able to solve this one. So a lot of things are there. Very tough questions will arise from this. So of course we can solve. Plenty of questions are there. So I will share you most of the questions with you all people. Try to solve whenever you have, whatever the questions you are getting down, we people will discuss in the tomorrow's class. Okay, tomorrow morning I will share the questions. Next, tomorrow's class we are going to solve significant figures. So all of you get ready with that. Then tomorrow morning I will share the questions. The questions, if you are able to solve all the questions whenever you are free, not only tomorrow. Tomorrow you try to solve 5-6 sums. In that, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Tomorrow class will discuss it, and then next class we are going to start significant figures. So with that, I will end the today's class. I hope you understand this everything. Today's class. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So dimension questions are basically very tough. Unless you have a complete knowledge, is a small error. If you miss anywhere, also entire formula is going to change. And MCQs only they will ask basically. So it will be very tough to answer the questions dimensional. That is why all the dimensional quantities 96 you have 96 or 92. All the dimensional quantities you must learn at certain level. Everybody should knows that. So you have to learn it and make it everything happen. And tomorrow we'll continue with the significant figures. So it will take definitely next at least 10 days. If you solve seriously, It will take hardly 6 days. We can finish this chapter. Later 10 days we can practice the new questions. After that we can move to the next chapter. That is what kinematics, motion in a straight line. Is it okay, everyone? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, everybody. We'll continue with this. I'll send it tomorrow morning. Solve the questions and we'll meet in tomorrow. Thank you all.